Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I will show you how to edit the landscape photo, and I'll give you the camera raw preset in my video description. So let's start. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications of video publishing. Okay, let's start. At first I'm just copy this background layer by pressing Ctrl J, or you can drag it on drop in the new layer options, and after that go to the filter and camera filter. This camera filter is by default just because of I'm using the Photoshop Creative Cloud 2017 or 18, and if your Photoshop is not Creative Cloud version, please do update that one for default camera filter. Okay, and here is the image, the landscape image. And at first I'll do color correction and exposure, highlighting and temperature, tint, all the thing step by step. Okay, at first exposure, I'll down the exposure a little bit and add some contrast like that. Yeah, plus 18 is good. Highlight, how to increase or decrease the highlight? Press the alter button, and when you are getting the dots, little bit dots, and just leave the button. And shadow, same, when you are getting the dots, please leave the button. Okay, like that. Okay, that's good. And the white balance, same process. When you are getting some dots, just leave that. And the blacks, okay, that's good. And after that, in landscape photography, this button or this panel is too much effective and useful to you just because of dehaze this option. If you dehaze this one, it will be more prominent, and I'm using plus 18. Okay, that's good. And amount of vignetting, little bit less. And then again the basic panel, clarity little bit up, and variance little bit up, saturation little bit up according to your visual. Okay, let's see the before and after. Yeah, okay, I'm zooming in. The before and after, subtle change, actually subtle change, you're getting the green and green. Okay, then I'm just going back. I'm going back to the editing panel, and here this one, and now I'll go to the HSL option. From the HSL I'll change all the things. Suppose green, yes, I'm down the green luminance actually, and saturation I'll increase a little bit, and hue, if you want, I like this type of hue actually. Okay, and blue, just blue like that, aqua color. The saturation I'll increase, and the luminance I'll just decrease this one. Don't decrease this one too much, otherwise it will be just like blurry or this type of dots. At that I'll just add some effects like that. No grain actually, I don't want to add the grain. And now the camera calibration, I'll make it like that. Yeah, there's the different types of flavor, and this one and this one like that. This one is the basic color correction actually. If you want to add another extra effect, you have to apply the different types of plugins or tools. Okay, let's see the before and after. Okay, basically this portion, the before photo was not prominent, but in this photo you're getting this portion prominent, and the green color, grasses, and the trees. Before was not in the trees are not prominent, and here is you're getting this one is prominent. Okay, and hit the OK button. Before hit the OK button, I'll save this one for you. Save settings. I'll saving these settings for you guys, and I'll give that just landscape. Okay, and hit the OK button. The before one and after one, you are getting like the prominent image like this one is a raw type or like non-edited, and this one is more prominent. If you want to make the sky, to take a new blank layer and go to the just here, that means the gradient options, and you should take this gradient and make the gradient color blue, sky blue, like that or like that, and this one also blue, should be blue like that, and hit the OK button, and then press the shift button and just do like that, and reduce the opacity for the sky flavor actually, and press Ctrl T for transformation, and I'll increase this one and just give like that and hit the OK button. Okay, you are getting this one, the effects like that. If you want, you can just mask this one and just go to the brush, increase the brush size and reduce the flow and opacity, and just draw. Before drawing that, just make it black and just draw from here. Okay, that's good. Okay, that means that this one, the sky is not affecting in this portion, that's why I'm just masking. Okay, and after that go to the adjustment layer and the solid, or you can use a gradient is good, and just one, make it radial, make it 0%, and the reverse one and tether, and scale will be 350. Okay, that's good, or you can increase this one. Okay, I just use a gradient fill just because of the vignetting. I need more vignetting, just focus these area or audience grabbing techniques, this one. If you want to focus your subject, you should use a gradient, and you should be make it dark, which area is not you want to show the audience, and the light or middle area will be there now where you want to be focused on your audience. Okay, this one is the technique. Okay, a technique apart actually. So we are done. I'm selecting all the things, make it group and make it merge. Okay, let's see the before one and after one. You are getting the huge change over there, a little bit techniques and some just tools, and obviously the camera preset. I'm giving that camera preset to you, and this one is free of cost. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query or comment or request, comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.